Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Monday.com to automate AI project tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.monday.com and press enter. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and click on Sign Up or Get Started. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Monday.com. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. This will redirect you back to the Monday.com website. Now, you'll be asked to create a password. Enter a strong password that meets the security requirements. After entering your password, click on Create Account. Next, you will see a setup guide to help you choose your plan. Select the plan that best fits your project management needs. After selecting a plan, click on Continue. You may be asked to provide some additional information about your organization. Fill in the required details and click Continue again. Next, you will have the option to invite team members. You can invite team members now or skip this step for later. Once you finish the setup, you'll be taken to your Monday.com dashboard. From here, click on Add a new board to start creating your project. Select Start from Scratch or choose a template that fits your project. As you create your board, familiarize yourself with the features. To set up AI project tracking, click on the Automations button. Choose from the suggested automation recipes or create a custom one. Follow the prompts to configure your automation settings. Once configured, activate the automation to streamline your project tracking. Now, you're ready to automate your project management with Monday.com. Explore the other features to maximize your efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.